Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to announce the new course of our academy, which is Certified Professional Coder Training Program, which is online and the duration is 5 months. So let's talk about it. But before that, I just want to tell what is medical coding. Medical coding is actually medical coder is a person who convert that information from the hospitals which may be the history or clinical information or medical information of any kind of the patient, and that convert into the alphanumerical codes. Okay, so there are lots of different dictionaries according to the diagnosis symptom. The dictionary uses ICD, International Classification of Disease. In case of the surgery, the codes assigned comes under common procedural terminology, CPT, and the devices, if any doctor suggests to any patient, the codes are relatable to it comes under the HCPCS code, HCPC code. So this course is totally focused on CPT, common procedural terminologies. There is an exam to become a certified professional coder, CPC. For that, this exams ask 90% of the question from common procedural terminology dictionary, CPT dictionary, and we will teach everything for that particular exam. So let's talk about this course, how it should be beneficial to you, what is the duration, how you have to enroll, and everything related information. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you the course schedule. This course is online and the course duration is 5 months, and the classes will be on the Saturday and Sunday. The timing will be 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, then next is what you will learn during this course. What is the syllabus? So let's talk about the syllabus first. So in the syllabus, you will get to know about the business of medicine, review of anatomy, overview of ICD 10-CM, applying the ICD 10-CM guidelines, accurate ICD 10-CM coding, introduction to CPT, HCPCS level 2 and modifiers, then integumentary system, musculoskeletal system, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, hemic and lymphatic system, mediastinum, diaphragm, digestive system, then urinary system and male genital system, then female reproductive system and maternity care and delivery, endocrine system and nervous system, then special senses, that is ocular and auditory, then anesthesia, radiology, pathology and laboratory, evaluation and management services, and then medicine. So this is the syllabus. At the same time, we will also provide the skill development, means resume preparation, interview preparation, job searching, email writing skill. We will teach you. Okay. So this is all about the syllabus. Then we'll talk about what study material we will have to provide, because this is the actually this is the preparation of one exam. So you have to get the study material. So we'll provide you the following study material. First of all, the textbook provided is CPT, that is Professional Additional Code Book, that is the latest, you can say, ICD 10-CM code book also provided. Then HCPC HCPCS level 2 code book will also provide. And also we provide you the anatomy physiology book to know more about it. So the hard copy you will get of the CPT, common procedural terminologies book, and all the question papers, like assessment test, you will get through courier to your address. Okay, and the rest of the thing we will provide via email. That is the soft copy you will get and others, because 90% of the question are from the common procedural terminology CPT book, and accordingly you have to prepare. Now we will talk about the benefits of the course. First benefit, you will get the certification from our academy. Okay, there is difference in the international certificate is different. Our academy certification is different. That you will get after course end. Then next, you will get the recordings of the each session after the end. Then study material, as already told. At the same time, PPT as also we will share with you. Placement assistance, most important, we help you for the placement as well. Okay, so this is all you will get the benefit. Even expert learning, 10+ year professional coder teach you who are certified. Okay, so according to that you will get latest information and the guidelines. Okay, and again, professional skills will be developed through skill development programs. So how you enroll for this course? So the course fee is 20,000 for the first 20 admission, then the course fee will be 22,000. But at the same time, by considering every student's request, we provide you the two installments, that is 10,000 and 10,000 for the first 20 student. Okay, so you can register by paying 10,000. Okay, and then you can pay within 20 days the remaining 10,000, or directly you can pay 20,000 and get enrolled for the course. So what is the procedure? Simply in description I provide the resume link, that is of full payment 20,000. You can click there and directly enroll. Otherwise, if you go with the installment payment, then you can pay to this number. This is our official contact number, and here you can pay online through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. Then what you have to do, next thing, you have to share your name, email ID, qualification, location with the payment screenshot on this number on WhatsApp. Then your admission will be confirmed, and then you will get email confirmation. At the same time, we will add you in the class group. That's it, the simple procedure for enrollment. And now we will took the questions, or you can say what are the common asked question. First question, the fees for the certified medical coder is included here? No, this fees is different. It's around 55 to 60,000 Indian rupees, and that should you have to pay individually. This course is all about the training only, okay, to prepare yourself for the exam. Next, you are giving placement assistance. Means what? Placement assistance means we prepare your resume, you prepare for the interview, we'll also prepare you throughout the class, okay, for this exam, and according to that will also help you. Okay, if you are certified, you get certified or not, we will share you the all opportunities, no doubt. But at the same time, the aim of this course is you will need to be get certified. And that next is can I log in for this course from mobile? Yes, you can also log in. And a recording is provided. Yes, we will provide the recordings as well up with this course. And after that, maybe you can ask who is eligible for this course. So eligibility will be D.Pharm student, B.Pharm, BSc, MSc, medical science, even BCom student, nursing student can also apply for this course. Okay, and the duration will be 5 months, and the classes will be on the Saturday, Sunday. The timing is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, and in between also you can support, like in weekdays. Yes, definitely we will support you. If any query, any doubt, we will directly, you are directly in touch with the trainer, you can directly contact. Otherwise, we are also there to help you. Okay, for more information or for more if you have query, you can call to this number or fill the Google form given in the description, or you can visit our website www.globalpharmacademy.com. Okay, so I hope your all doubts may be solved through this video. If still any doubt, you can connect with us, comment us, or you can even ask to us in the given contact number. That's it from this video. If you like this announcement, if you like this our initiative, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends and colleagues. If you want to do career in the medical coding and if you are serious about it, I suggest this course will definitely help you, because certified professional coder is need of the time, and if you are certified, then the job opportunities are also high. But for that reason, you need to getting trained properly. Okay, so this course will definitely provide you proper training according to that exam requirement. Thank you for this video.